We have been competing in SkillsUSA here for 13, 14 years. We've done extremely well as far as the students that we've had here. We've been at nationals every single year. We've placed in the top 10 at nationals every single year.
So this year, out of a total group of about 20 students competing, we have 8 students that are in specific, 2 of which that have been up through the state and the national ranks previously.
So I've taken second at state 2 years running now. So it's like, I'm hoping the third time is the charm, but my goal ultimately, it's like an addiction. You get here and you love it and then you can't stop.
It's a little nerve-wracking, first time for everything, but overall I feel confident. My instructor really didn't give me a choice. He's like, you've been in this class before, so you should know what to do. So I agreed with him. I've been practicing during my class period, so I knew what was expected of me.
Along with this being a contest to see what those students do, it's also kind of like a job fair. All of these people that are here are looking for help or they know somebody that is. So it's a great way to get our students' name or just the name of the school out for anybody that's looking for a qualified technician.
I think as an individual, it helps you grow. It helps you kind of reach new limits, I think. Last year I did estimating. I was able to get to nationals, and I think I learned a lot from that. You know, as far as testing myself and making sure I'm not always comfortable and I'm willing to do new things. The biggest thing is I think people, they say they don't have time for it, but I think it's a really good thing to kind of invest your time into because you learn so much, even if you're not in that class. We have people taking, doing collision work and they're not even in those classes yet. But I think it's almost free education, so I'd ask you to, challenge yourself and make sure, you try things before you say no.
Here at Ames, we have more first semester students that have made it to nationals than second, third, and fourth. We have those students that come in and they have that drive, they have that passion, and a lot of them are like, ooh, competition? There are some students that are like, well, I don't want to compete because I don't think I have enough knowledge, my skill set isn't there or anything like that. All I have to say to those students is, you never know till you try.
The best advice I can give is to push. It's gonna be awkward, but if there's somebody that knows something that you don't, ask questions. Make yourself better. Don't sit around waiting for it to happen. I mean, sometimes the interactions can be a little awkward and we all feel out of place because we don't know where anybody else is compared to our knowledge. So just ask. Like, you'll get better.